Welcome friends to the world of publication. Geeta Prakashan BOOKSWALA welcomes you all to our channel. Today we are introducing our new publication, The Earth Within. If you want to know about nature, mind, and the unity of life, this book is a perfect choice for you. Dr. P.L.N. Das is a distinguished scholar and educator in the fields of English language, literature, and linguistics, working as an assistant professor of English at SRR and CVR Government Degree College, Vijayawada. He was awarded doctorate in English from the English and Foreign Language University, Hyderabad. Dr. Das has been recognized for his academic excellence. His research earned him the prestigious ISFC International Scholarship from IFSC 40, Sun Yat-sen University, China. He has also presented research papers at the University of Lisbon, Portugal, the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, USA, and the University of Freiburg, Germany, gaining valuable international academic exposure during visits to universities in Switzerland and France. Dr. Das' research contributions have been published in scopus and reputable peer-reviewed journals. He has been an invited research speaker at various faculty development programs and at refresher course of UGC. Apart from his professional attachment with language and literature, his works are associated with philosophy of nature, universe, humanism, existentialism, and holism. Dear friends, this book, The Earth Within, is a mirror to know about nature, mind, and unity of life. A clear description about all the topics has been explained in this book, The Earth Within. Dr. P. L.N. Das, Dr. P. Lakshmi Narasa Dasu. This book is edited by Dr. Edunuru Krishna Chaitanya and Mr. K. Jayaramudu. The foreword writer of this book is Dr. Kishore Kumar Chintala. I'll read a content of this book so that we can get a clear guideline that what is it in the book. Readers can read Foundation of Nature and Biodiversity. Nature, a continuous reformative system. Regeneration as a natural process. Cyclic processes in nature. Evolution as reformative mechanism. Human interaction with social system. Philosophical implications of reformative nature. The diversified system of nature. Diversity as a structural principle of nature. Interdependence in diversity. Diversity as a source of resilience. Human civilization with the diversified system. The diversified system and human consciousness. Integral ecology and celebration of diversity. Biodiversity with nature. The meaning and dimensions of biodiversity. Biodiversity as an architect of nature system. Evolution and the emergence of biodiversity. Ecological and human significance. Biodiversity and human consciousness. The challenge of biodiversity loss. Integral ecological approach. Time, space and nature. a systematic interconnection. Time, the flow of ecological existence. Space, the realm of ecological relationships. Nature, as the synthesis of time and space. Human consciousness within the triad. Integral ecological perspective. Cyclic dimensions of life in nature. Cosmic and planetary cycles. Biogeochemical cycles, ecological succession, life, death, and regeneration, reproduction and evolutionary cycles, the meaning of biodiversity, life as relational equilibrium. Second main chapter, consciousness, philosophy, and human understanding of nature. Under this, nature and education, two faces of the same coin. Nature as the first teacher, education as the interpreter of nature, biodiversity as a pedagogical research, ecological education and human consciousness toward integral ecological learning, existentialism in nature, nature as a field of meaning, alienation and ecological crisis, integral ecological and existential responsibility toward an ecological self, eternalism in nature, nature as an eternal process, temporal depth and ecological awareness, human consciousness and the eternal order, biodiversity as the memory of the earth, integral ecology and eternal web of life, utilitarian perspective, nature as a source of ecological utility, ethical evolution of environmental actions, biodiversity and collective welfare, expanding the moral community, utilitarianism and the restoration of awareness, J. Krishnamurti and the fragmentation of consciousness, integral consciousness and Ken Wilber's framework, interior and exterior dimensions of reality, integral and collective consciousness, integration of science, philosophy, and spirituality toward integral ecology, nature in literary traditions, nature in early literary traditions, nature in romantic literature, nature in American transcendentalism, nature in modern and contemporary literature, nature as a symbolical and philosophical presence. Third main chapter, integration, crisis, and the future of ecological consciousness. Equalism of nature, nature a protector and a destroyer, nature as a protector, nature as a destroyer, the unity of protection and destruction, philosophical reflection and natural duality, human responsibility within natural duality, every stem of knowledge as a part of nature, ontology of integrated knowing, ontological ground, nature as self-organizing totality, epistemology reconsidered from detachment to participation, knowledge as ecological system, the evolutionary dimensions of knowing, ethical implications, knowing as responsibility, consciousness as integrative medium, civilizational significance toward holistic meaning, technology, biodiversity, and the crisis of decoding, and integral critique. The epistemological structure of technological decoding, biodiversity, and the failure of mechanistic paradigms, the anthropocentric assumption of mastery, meditation, abstraction, and the direct experience acceleration without ethical synergism, technology as criticized consciousness from decoding to dialogue, restoration of human awareness, and at last, reference. Dear viewers, if you like to procure this book, Please contact the number given in description box. Good news! Now, The Earth Within is not only available in India, but it is available across 66 countries through print on demand and Kindle version. The link for all is been provided in description box. Thanks for your viewing. Have a nice day.